There are hundreds of thousands of various truck models that are currently being used in military service. Some of them are commercial designs, just repainted in military colors. Others are purpose-built tactical vehicles that are specifically designed for military use. MAN SX series. The MAN SX series of high-mobility military trucks is a successor to the previous Cat 1, which was produced with the German armed forces in the late 1960s. These military vehicles can be easily identified by their vertical windscreens. The MAN SX series vehicles are in service with Germany, Austria, Denmark, Malaysia, Norway, Sweden, United Kingdom, and some other countries. The MAN SX series high mobility trucks share some technologies with the MAN HX family, as well as FX and LX family. However, it has a stiffer chassis and much greater mobility. The SX45 is an 8x8 heavy utility truck designed to operate in tough off-road conditions. It has a payload capacity of 14 to 16 tons. There is also a smaller SX44 with a 6x6 configuration. These trucks were specifically developed to meet military requirements and are intended to carry heavy and specialized equipment such as radars, command shelters, antenna masts, missile launchers, and so on. It also used a load handling system to carry flat tracks and containers. KRAZ 6322. The KRAZ 6322 is a Ukrainian heavy utility truck. It evolved from the previous KRAZ 255 and 260 models, but has been upgraded to meet today's standards. It is a reliable and proven design. The KRAZ 6322 is produced since 1999, though its predecessors ranged in their origin from the 1960s and even earlier. The KRAZ 6322 heavy truck has a payload capacity of over 10 tons. This heavy-duty military truck is intended for different loads and troop transportation. A 3-person cab is standard across the range. It is very similar to that of the early KRAZ 260s. This military truck was specifically designed for off-road application and has considerable cross-country mobility. MTVR. The Medium Tactical Vehicle Replacement, or MTVR, is a purpose-designed military truck. It was developed by Oshkosh. The first was fielded in 1998 and entered full-scale production in 2005. This vehicle is used by the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. The new truck offers greater mobility, payload, and reliability. Over 11,000 MTVRs were delivered. It has been exported to Egypt, Greece, Iraq, the United Kingdom, and some other possible countries. All versions of the MTVR use the same 6x6 configuration. Engine is located under a forward fiberglass bonnet. Roof of the cab was hinged aluminum windscreen, and door frames can be folded down to reduce overall height of the vehicle. The MK23 is the standard cargo variant. The MTVR trucks are powered by the Caterpillar C12 11.9-liter turbocharged diesel engine, developing 425 horsepower. The vehicle has a full-time all-wheel drive with an independent suspension system, as well as a central tire inflation system. The military truck has a good cross-country performance. The HEMTT. The HEMTT, or Heavy Expanded Mobility Tactical Truck, is a family of 8x8 heavy high mobility trucks produced by Oshkosh and used by the U.S. military. These are also referred to as Family of Heavy Tactical Vehicles, or FHTV. These vehicles are rapidly deployable and are designed to operate in any climatic conditions. There are a number of variants of the HEMTT trucks, built on similar chassis and equipped to perform different missions. These high-mobility trucks are used by the U.S. military to perform local and line haul, unit resupply, and related tactical missions. The M977 is a baseline cargo truck fitted with a material handling crane. This particular model was produced in large numbers. The vehicle is powered by a Detroit Diesel 8V92TA turbocharged diesel engine, developing 450 horsepower. The engine is located behind the cab. Such a layout allowed to reduce the overall height of the vehicle. This military truck has an 8x8 configuration. However, it can be switched to an 8x4 on hard surface roads for maximum speed and range. The vehicle has great cross-country mobility. The M1078 LMTV and the M1083 MTV family of trucks. In 1991, a company was awarded a large-scale contract to manufacture the U.S. Army's new family of medium tactical vehicles, or FMTV, with the intention that eventually all the existing and aging medium trucks in the Army's inventory would be replaced by a modern and efficient design. Since 2012, the FMTV family of trucks is produced by the Oshkosh Corporation. The FMTV is based on the Austrian Steyr 12M18 truck, which was produced since 1985, but considerably re-engineered to be available as the 4x4 light-medium tactical vehicle, the LMTV, and the 6x6. Accent of these vehicles has been on reliability, low unit and running costs, and long-term efficiency. All aspects were well demonstrated during its service life. Mercedes Unimog. The first Mercedes-Benz Unimog, Universal Motor Garant, was designed in 1946, shortly after World War II. It was originally designed as a simple and efficient multi-purpose machine with a permanent 4x4 that could be used for agriculture, forestry, and transportation of various cargo. Its design proved to be extremely successful. This heavy-duty truck has been produced ever since. That's nearly 70 years. Furthermore, over the years, the basic design of this vehicle has remained constant. The Unimog range has been expanded to encompass a family of 4x4 utility trucks with off-road payloads between 1250 and 7500 kg. These are even a 6x6 version. This vehicle is available in both military and civilian applications. The Unimogs have been exported all over the world, and they are licensed produced in some countries. These military trucks are being used by at least 30 countries. The Ural 4320. The Ural 4320 is a Russian heavy off-road truck. It follows the lines of the Ural 375, which was entered into production back in 1961. The Ural 4320 is produced without significant changes since 1976. It is a heavy-duty cargo vehicle, which is available both for civilian and military customers. This truck is in service with the Russian military, as well as many other countries. It can often be spotted in various military conflicts. The Ural 4320 is a full-time, all-wheel drive and is fitted with the centralized tire pressure system. It is an extremely capable off-road vehicle. With preparation, all models can ford water obstacles up to 1.75 meters in depth. The vehicle can operate in climatic conditions ranging from -50 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. CAM AZ 5350. The CAM AZ 5350 is another Russian military truck. It's a follow-on to the CAM AZ 4310, which was produced since 1980 and was the workhorse of the Soviet military. The CAM AZ 5350 is produced since 2003. This truck is available for both civilian and military customers. This military truck has a conventional layout with a front-mounted engine and a forward control cab. A baseline version has a general troop cargo body with folding down sides and tailgate. However, this truck is also available in a number of body styles. There are also versions with a 4x4 and 6x6 configuration. Its payload on cross-country terrain is limited to 6 tons. The vehicle has a full-time all-wheel drive and is fitted with a central tire inflation system. Iveco M250. The Italian Iveco company has a long tradition of building dedicated military trucks. The Iveco M250 is a recent series of tactical trucks that were designed to operate on all kinds of roads and off-roads. The M250.45WM has a payload capacity of 8,000 kg. It can also tow trailers or artillery pieces. The baseline version is a cargo/troop carrier. This military truck is fitted with a standard drop-side cargo body with bows and a tarpaulin cover. Also, it can accept a variety of other bodies. Specialized versions are available, such as artillery tractor, dump truck, load handling system, and tractor truck with heavy hauling capabilities. Belgian trucks are powered by Iveco Corsair 13 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 450 horsepower. Another engine model, developing 400 horsepower, is available. A number of automotive components are from Iveco's Eurotracker range of commercial trucks. The vehicle has a full-time all-wheel drive and is fitted with a central tire inflation system. We hoped you liked the video, and we want to know which was your favorite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell down below if you want to make sure you never miss out on important new information like this.